Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. Today's discussion is about one of the most important questions in South Sudan journey as a nation. Who is benefiting from South Sudan oil revenue? I'm asking you, who is benefiting? Or anyone can ask this kind of question. Who is benefiting from South Sudan oil revenue? Oil is the country's main source of income. Most of you know it. It has the power to bring development, improve life, and build a better future. But many South Sudanese are asking, where is the money going? South Sudan has some of the richest oil fields in East Africa. Every day, thousands of barrels are pumped, transported, and sold to international markets. This oil brings millions of dollars to the government each month. That money is meant to support things like a school, hospital, road, clean water, security, and peace building. But despite this wealth, many communities remain without basic services. Many children still study under trees. Hospitals lack medicine. Roads are broken. Prices are high, and ordinary people are struggling. Where does the oil money go? This is where the big question comes in. If the country is rich in oil, why is there so much poverty in South Sudan? A report from international organizations and economic observers have pointed to several issues. A large part of the oil revenue goes to pay off debt. Some funds are used for security spending and operations. There have been concerns about corruption, mismanagement, and lack of transparency. In some cases, payments are made through contracts that are not open to public review. This means that even though the country earns a lot, it is not always clear how the money is used or who receives it. It is important to note, this isn't just about individual or one group. It is a national challenge, one that affects everyone, and solving it requires everyone's voices. What needs to happen? To ensure the oil revenue benefit all citizens, several things need to happen. Number one, transparency. The government should publish how much money is earned from oil and how it is spent. Public record build public trust. Number two, accountability. Leaders and institutions must be held responsible for how resources are managed. That includes audit and legal oversight. Number three, equal distribution. All regions of the country should benefit, not just oil production areas, but also remote villages, towns, and camps. Number four, investment in people. Oil money should go into education, health, road, and youth employment, not just government salaries or military budgets. This is not about blame, it is about building a strong, united nation where resources are shared fairly and wisely. In the end, oil is a national blessing, but only if it is managed well. The question, who is benefiting from South Sudan oil revenue, should not be a mystery. The answer should be everyone, from the child in the classroom to the mother in the clinic to the farmer in the village. Let's raise awareness, let's ask the right question, and let's hope for leaders who will manage the nation well with fairness, honesty, and care for the people. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe if you believe in a better South Sudan. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.